There are people who say that their high blood pressure and high blood sugar levels have noticeably improved just by drinking 1 cup of this every morning. What kind of special drink could it be? Actually, this is a healthy routine that you can make with very common ingredients, is easy on the body, and can be practiced consistently. In today's video, I'm going to tell you about 3 miracle waters that make your blood vessels healthier when you drink them in the morning. Many people have said that just by drinking them, their blood became clearer and their hands and feet became warmer. Moreover, it has a completely different effect than just drinking plain water. And more importantly, I'll give you tips on when and how to drink it for real effects. So please stay with me until the end of today's video. Hello, this is Health Info Channel. Is there anyone who hasn't subscribed yet? Please subscribe and like right below. Now, wishing you all good health. Health Info Channel starts now. The first one is lemon water, which many of you have probably heard of at least once. Drinking lemon water on an empty stomach in the morning really helps prevent high blood pressure by reducing oxidative stress in the body and helping with blood vessel elasticity. It's rich in vitamin C, which softens the blood vessel walls. And it's also effective in reducing bloating by promoting sodium excretion. My mother, in fact, at first, said she couldn't drink it because lemon was too sour. But when I mixed just a little of it in lukewarm water, she said she had no idea it would be so mild and refreshing. After about 2 months, she said her blood pressure medication dosage had also been slightly reduced. Now she makes sure to drink it first thing every morning. There was a study conducted at a renowned university in Japan in 2014. They had middle-aged and older women drink a cup of lemon water a day, and it was reported that after 8 weeks, their systolic blood pressure dropped by an average of more than 5 mmHg. This figure is not just a placebo effect, but evidence that the vascular function itself has improved. Also, the potassium in lemons helps the body excrete sodium, which plays a role in preventing both bloating and a rise in blood pressure at the same time. However, some people ask this question, lemon is acidic, so I'm worried it will cause an upset stomach. That's possible. For those people, be sure to use only about 14 of a slice in lukewarm water and drink it slowly. If you make it too strong from the beginning, it can irritate your stomach. Now there's another water that is excellent for blood sugar control. Drinking this warms the body and even reduces fatigue. It's especially popular among those in their 60s and older. I'll introduce it right away. The second is cinnamon water. Cinnamon is not just a spice. It's a really powerful natural blood sugar regulator, especially when you drink it on an empty stomach in the morning. Its effect of lowering fasting blood sugar is clearly evident. In fact, there is a famous study conducted in 2003 at the highly regarded university in Pakistan. It was an experiment on 60 patients with type 2 diabetes. It was announced that after they consumed 1 to 6 g of cinnamon per day for 40 days, their fasting blood sugar levels decreased by 18 to 29%. This study is a paper that is widely cited worldwide. It has been scientifically recognized that cinnamon increases insulin sensitivity and helps the pancreas secrete insulin. Another interesting thing is that cinnamon water can help with not only blood sugar, but also indigestion or irritable bowel syndrome by warming up the digestive system. There are cases of people who have seen effects from this cinnamon water. In one hospital case, a woman in her 60s always had her HbA1c glycated hemoglobin level fluctuating on the borderline. But one day, her daughter saw a video about cinnamon water on YouTube, boiled it, and gave it to her. She said she was really surprised to hear the news that after 3 months, her levels had dropped significantly when checked at the hospital, as she had been enjoying the nice aroma and feeling comfortable after drinking it. Of course, while there are people who have seen such effects, as with all foods, there are points to be careful about. Some people have actually asked this question: doesn't eating cinnamon every day put a strain on the liver? That's right. Cassia cinnamon, which is common on the market, contains a compound called coumarin, and excessive consumption can put a strain on the liver. Therefore, you should consume Ceylon cinnamon, or true cinnamon, and those with poor liver function must be careful. Now finally, there is one very special water left that relieves fatigue and cleanses the blood vessels. I will introduce it right now. The third is ginger honey water. This is really simple, but when you drink it when you're cold and lack energy, you can feel like the engine inside your body is starting up again. The key components of ginger are gingerol and shogal. These two are representative anti-inflammatory components that help expand blood vessels. promote blood circulation, and reduce inflammation. There is actual research on this. In an experiment published in the International Academic Journal, the Journal of Nutrition in 2015, patients with high cholesterol who consistently consumed ginger extract showed a noticeable decrease in their total cholesterol and LDL levels. In addition, since honey is a natural sugar that is absorbed quickly, it can soften the spicy taste of ginger and help boost immunity when you lack energy in the morning. And among those who have tried this consistently, some have had surprising reactions. A 70-year-old man I recently interviewed said his head was foggy and his hands and feet were cold every morning. But after drinking ginger honey water consistently for about a month, he said that strangely, his mornings feel refreshing these days. This really means that the circulation in his body has improved, right? In fact, an internal medicine specialist also said this. He emphasized that ginger has the component gingerol, which dilates blood vessels, so it helps blood circulation to be smooth. And it can be especially helpful for those whose hands and feet are cold, or whose bodies feel heavy in the morning. That's how well-founded this food is. To properly enjoy the health benefits of ginger, if you infuse thinly sliced ginger in hot water for about 5 to 15 minutes, the gingerol and shogal components are sufficiently extracted. However, ginger is not 100% suitable for everyone. Ginger has properties that can prevent blood from clotting easily, so if you are taking anticoagulants such as aspirin, the risk of bleeding may increase. Also, if you have a sensitive stomach, don't force yourself to drink it strong. Start with a light. Brew by infusing it for only about 5 minutes, and avoid it for 2 weeks before and after surgery. And those who are pregnant or breastfeeding also need to consult a specialist. So today, I introduced 3 natural health drinks that can manage blood pressure, blood sugar, and even fatigue if you drink 1 cup every morning. What's most important is to consistently practice such a healthy routine. Your levels won't drop dramatically after drinking it once, but after just 3 weeks or a month, you will definitely feel a change in your body. Now let me summarize for you. If you are worried about blood pressure, lemon water. For blood sugar control, cinnamon water. If you want to restore your morning energy, ginger honey water. You don't have to drink all 3. Just choose one that suits your body and drink it consistently. After 3 days, a week, and a month as time goes by, you will feel your body becoming lighter and more energetic. Consistency is more powerful than medicine. It's not too late to start today. I hope you take good care of yourselves, as I've told you today, and always stay healthy. If there is a topic you would like to know about, please leave it in the comments. If the video was helpful, please subscribe, like, set up notifications, and share the video with the precious people around you. I will see you next time with more healthy information. Have a healthy and enjoyable day today.